Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kaufman County in north-central Texas, Zandt County in north-central Texas, Hopkins County in north-central Texas, Rains County in north-central Texas, until 8:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:35 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Commerce to Lake Tawakoni to Camp, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact Lake Sulphur Springs. Sulphur Springs, Canton, Old Point, Grand Saline, Maybank, Van, Edgewood, Emory, Camp, East Tawakoni, Point, Cumbie, Como, Fruitvale, Edom, Purchase Creek State Park, Lake Sulphur Springs, Cooper Lake State Park, Lake Tawakoni, and Cooper Lake. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 between mile markers 508 and 542. Interstate 30 between mile markers 110 and 142. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for north-central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. These storms have a history of producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather